In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add language accent marks to letters in Microsoft Word. Adding accent marks in Microsoft Word is essential when typing in languages such as Spanish, French, German, or other languages that use diacritical marks. Fortunately, Word offers several simple methods to insert these characters quickly and accurately, depending on how often you need them. One of the fastest ways to add accent marks is by using built-in keyboard shortcuts. With this method, you press a specific key combination for the accent first, release the keys, and then type the letter. For example, to type E, press Ctrl and the apostrophe key at the same time, release them, and then press the letter E. To type A, press Ctrl and the grave accent key, release, then press A. For Enye, press Ctrl, Shift, and the tilde key together, release, and then type N. For U, press Ctrl, Shift, and the colon key, release, and then type U. For O, press Ctrl, Shift, and the caret symbol, release, and then type O. Once you understand the pattern, this method becomes very efficient. If you prefer not to memorize shortcuts, you can use the Symbol tool. Click where you want the accented letter to appear, go to the Insert tab, click Symbol, and then choose More Symbols. In the dialog box that opens, locate the accented character you need and click Insert. You can also choose a subset such as Latin_1 supplement to quickly narrow down the list of available characters. When you are finished, click Close. In newer versions of Microsoft Word, there is also a convenient on-screen accent menu. Simply type a letter and press and hold that key on your keyboard. A small selection box will appear showing accented variations of that letter. Click the one you need, and it will be inserted automatically. If you frequently type in another language, consider adding that language's keyboard layout in your computer's settings. Once added, you can switch between keyboards using a shortcut such as Alt and Shift or the Windows key and spacebar. This allows you to type accents naturally according to that language's layout. By using these methods, you can easily insert accent marks in Microsoft Word and ensure your documents are accurate and professionally formatted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.